5 young figures clash with tall wooden staves, their bodies twisting in energetic motion. No one dominates, no one concedes. The 5 of Wands is fire uncontained, creative tension, rivalry, testing, and the chaotic spark through which individuality is refined. The group of figures is the central symbol. Their raised wands cross and collide, forming a web of movement that is more rehearsal than battle. Their expressions show exertion, not malice. They represent the necessary friction that emerges when multiple wills seek expression at once. Fire here is developmental, challenge that strengthens, not destruction that wounds. The wands themselves form the first supporting symbol. 5 staves, lifted at varying angles, create a star-like geometry echoing the human figure of the pentagram. Each wand carries potential, but in crossing they create complexity. This is the creative clash of ideas, the moment when perspectives collide to sharpen clarity. The number 5 signals instability, change, and the need to reorganize. The second supporting symbol is the vivid clothing, reds, yellows, blues, greens, each color expressing a different temperament. Red gives passion, yellow intellect, blue calm reasoning, green growth and adaptability. Their diverse hues signify differing motivations and approaches, showing that conflict often arises not from hostility but from energetic diversity. Their interplay suggests that collaboration is being forged through contrast. The third symbol is the absence of armor or true weaponry. Although their movements are vigorous, no one is truly endangered. The wands are tools, not blades, reinforcing that this is a symbolic struggle, debate, competition, rehearsal, or negotiation. The card expresses conflict as constructive energy, iron sharpening iron, not violence. The fourth symbol is the uneven earthy ground beneath them. Some figures stumble, others find footing. The terrain reflects the instability of transition, creative chaos before order forms. It shows that standing one's ground in times of change requires flexibility and resilience. The fifth symbol is the open, clear sky overhead. Despite the activity below, the heavens remain calm, indicating that the struggle is not catastrophic, but developmental. Spirit views this contrast neutrally. Growth through opposition, learning through engagement. The clear sky reassures that beneath the noise lies a deeper harmony. Together, these symbols depict lively, necessary conflict. Ideas clash, wills collide, perspectives compete. And through this dynamic friction, strength, creativity, and teamwork emerge. In readings, the 5 of Wands signifies competition, differing opinions, or the productive tension that accompanies new ventures. It may point to group projects, debates, or internal conflicts between parts of the self. Its guidance is to stay engaged, but not escalate. Approach conflict with curiosity, not combativeness. The card warns only against ego-driven struggle that forgets the shared purpose beneath the clash.